Hey there! Do you want to open multiple Roblox accounts at once? I am here to guide you step by step. Make sure to watch till end so you don't skip any step. If you are a beginner, managing multiple accounts can become confusing because you need to remember login credentials, email addresses, and display names for each account. But with using multiple accounts, you can gather things that can boost your main account progress. Plus, you can practice and learn new stuff without any pressure on your main account. So watch the tutorial to the end so you don't miss any step. Let's go to the video. The first step is to close all your Roblox accounts that are open. Then you go into description and you get to this website. It's called GitHub. Here you can scroll down and click on this download button. By the way, I am not sure if it works for Mac and Windows 7, but it definitely works for Windows 10 and Windows 11. I tried both. So GitHub is a place you can put your programs into open source. And open source means all the code is there from the program, and I looked into it and it's safe. I also use it myself. Now just click on download and then you just go into your folder and then you click on extract. Here you need to click on extract all and now click on extract. Once the process is completed, double tap on the folder and now open the software, and then you just get this little thing. You are gonna click on add account and now you need to put your login. If your accounts are under 13, you cannot join an private server with the account, but you can still log in through your browser and join it. So let's try it. Now I will get now 2 accounts. So we have now here 2 accounts and let's just select everything and then click on join server. Here's the first one and here's the second one. Like, it really works, and here see how it works. But if you want to know how many accounts can your PC handle, then simply go into task manager. Then you just go into CPU and you see how much percentage it takes about. So it takes about 3% for me per account. So that means I could probably use only 30 accounts at maximum. But if you want to use double the amount of account, you need to download FPS Unlocker. You will get the link in description. Just simply click on the first link and it will start downloading. Once it is downloaded, search for virus and threat protection. Here you see the option virus and threat protection. Click on manage setting and turn it off, the real-time protection. Once it is turned off, scroll down and you see the option exclusion. Click on add or remove exclusion. Now click on add an exclusion and choose the folder format, and now select the folder of FPS Unlocker here. So it is now uploaded here. Now this means this is not gonna detect as an virus anymore. Then you just go back again and you turn on your antivirus again, and then down here you just go into the arrow and then you right click on this symbol and then you see FPS gap and just click there and select 30. And now if you go again to task manager, we can see that it takes almost 2% per account because we have 2 accounts logged in. For this quick tutorial, you need to download RBX manager and add accounts of your choice. And if you want to double the amount of accounts, you can download RBX Unlocker. In this way, you can easily use multiple accounts. So this is it for today's video. I hope it will help you. But still, if you have any question or confusion, comment down below. I will respond to every question. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe us for more interesting tutorials. Bye!